Well, thank you very much for taking a couple minutes to join us today. Let me give you a real quick, about a 3-minute overview of our offering of advanced communication skills for leaders, how to improve your employees' morale and productivity. This workshop is designed to help people learn advanced communication skills. This includes learning how to get others to express themselves both openly and freely, building trust on the team, as well as understanding the meaning behind their words. The goal of this workshop is for participants to be able to create productive teams with effective communication. We do this with follow-up. This workshop is time intensive because of the included 6 months of follow-up. It is not off-the-shelf training. It is designed specifically for those who want results, and follow-up is key. After completing the workshop, participants will be able to understand their roles in the organization and how their communication affects the company as a whole, develop trust and rapport with coworkers, clients, and customers, handle conflict and difficult conversations constructively, speak in a way other people need to hear it so they're willing to follow them, create a system and practice it in the classroom, gain more experience and practice during the 6 months of follow-up. What questions do you have? Please allow me to answer your questions. Contact me either by email, phone number, or schedule a quick chat. Thank you for your time.